Alright guys, so there's so many experts here when it comes to weight loss, you're not really sure who to believe. You're thrown for a loop in every different direction on every diet known to man. We even tried most of them. Paleo or Atkins, which were basically the same things. Everyone's talking about a carnivore diet. You have diets like Whole30, which are great in theory, but very difficult to do long term. Plans like Optavia, which give you meals and cardboard food to eat. Not really tasty or sustainable. What else fails? Go spend a couple $1,000s every month and take a shot, regardless of whether that causes cancer or not. Regardless that you have to be hooked on it forever. So what I've been practicing for over 25 years and helping thousands upon thousands of people every single year is intermittent fasting. Even with intermittent fasting, there's several different ways to do things. We practice 16-8. Simple 16-hour fasting, 8-hour eating window. Break this down. Those 16 hours, you're sleeping for half that time. But the fasting piece isn't very difficult. Of course, with intermittent fasting, I still want you eating healthy meals. That's a given. Intermittent fasting is nothing new. It's back hundreds of